Hello everyone. In this video we'll talk about SOUN stock and key levels to watch June 2, 2026. In previous trading session the stock formed a doji candle. In today trading session the stock forming a bullish candle. Now the stock trading at $9.28 on the weekly time frame. The stock breakout is trend line. On the daily time frame the key support level is $8.7. If the price goes below $8.7 it could test $7.88. The resistance level is $9.72. If the price breaks above $9.72 it could test $10.54. That's my view on SOUN stock today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more updates. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.